How to fix Free Fire login error step by step. First of all, go ahead and make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection on your device. If you don't have one, simply switch to your mobile network. And also make sure to turn off any VPN services if you have turned it on. Now, head backwards and open Facebook if you have connected your account with the Facebook itself. So launch the Facebook application. From here, you simply have to tap on these three horizontal lines on the top left corner, tap on the setting and privacy panel, once again tap on this setting, tap on the search bar at the top, then type application and website. Once you find the option, go ahead and tap on this. You should be able to locate the Free Fire over here. Go ahead and tap on this and proceed to remove itself. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on this remove option and wait for some time. Now head backwards once you remove it and proceed to relaunch the application and try relogging in using your same Facebook login. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.